Welcome to Rich's Roadmap YouTube channel, where we uncover the hidden secrets about money and personal finance that can help you build wealth and financial independence. In this video, we're going to talk about the dark secret of money that 99% of people don't know about. It's a secret that the 1% don't want you to know. But once you know it, it can change your entire financial outlook. The dark secret of money. Most people think of money as a tool for buying things and paying bills. But the dark secret of money is that it's not just a tool, it's a weapon. A weapon that the rich and powerful use to control the world. The financial system is rigged in favor of the wealthy, and it's designed to keep the rest of us in a perpetual cycle of debt and dependency. The history of money. To understand this dark secret, we need to look back at the history of money. Money was created as a way to facilitate trade and commerce, but over time, it has become much more than that. It's now a way for governments and central banks to control the economy and manipulate the financial system. And it's also a way for the wealthy elite to consolidate their power and influence. The impact on the 99%. So what does this mean for the rest of us? It means that we are at a significant disadvantage in the financial system. We're often forced to pay high interest rates on loans and credit cards, while the wealthy can borrow money at low rates and make huge profits. It also means that we're often subject to economic downturns and market crashes, while the wealthy can use their wealth and influence to protect themselves. How to protect yourself. But there is hope. By understanding the dark secret of money and how the system works, you can take steps to protect yourself and your finances. This includes: build an emergency fund. One of the first things you can do to protect yourself is to build an emergency fund. This is a savings account that you can use to cover unexpected expenses like a job loss, medical emergency, or car repair. Having an emergency fund can help you avoid going into debt and can give you peace of mind knowing that you have a financial cushion. Pay off debt. Another important step is to pay off any high-interest debt, such as credit card balances or personal loans. Debt can be a major source of stress and can prevent you from building wealth. By paying off debt, you'll free up more of your income to invest or save for the future. Invest in assets. Investing in assets that can appreciate in value over time, such as stocks, real estate, or a small business, can help you build wealth and protect your finances from inflation. These types of investments can provide a source of passive income and can help you achieve financial independence. Stay informed. Finally, it's important to stay informed about the latest financial news and trends. This can help you make informed decisions about your money and protect yourself from economic downturns or market crashes. You can read financial news sources, follow financial influencers, or consult with a financial advisor to stay up to date on the latest developments. Invest in assets. Investing in assets that can appreciate in value over time, such as stocks, real estate, or a small business, can help you build wealth and protect your finances from inflation. These types of investments can provide a source of passive income and can help you achieve financial independence. By taking these steps, you can protect yourself from the dark secret of money and achieve financial independence. Remember, the financial system may be rigged in favor of the wealthy, but you can still take control of your own finances and build a bright financial future for yourself and your family. Conclusion. In conclusion, the dark secret of money is a harsh reality that many people are not aware of. But by educating yourself and taking action, you can level the playing field and achieve financial independence. Don't let the system control you, take control of your finances today. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on personal finance and wealth building.